Welcome back to Stereo Installs. Nice to see you today. We're talking about the Stinger HORIZON12. This is an amazing radio from Stinger. It's a 12-inch monitor, high-resolution screen. You can do portrait or landscape mode, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, has a 15-band EQ, it has 3 USB-C inputs, an HDMI input. It has an iGo navigation chip. You can install it in it so you don't have to worry about going off the grid. You can have navigation wherever you want to go. It's IP65 weather rated, so you can not worry about having if it's in a Jeep, the top off, not worry about getting a little bit of water on it. We're selling these at Stereo Installs. If you want to pick one of these bad boys up, visit us at stereoinstalls.com. At our brick and mortar shop at 7471 Tyler Boulevard, Unit B in Mentor, Ohio, or call me 440-525-2001 extension number 7. My name is David. They're in stock and ready to ship or pick up. We'll see you soon.